Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's me, Kevin Smith, back again for another YouTube video. Welcome back. This video, I'm going to be going over exactly how you can get your very first push-up. I'm going to be going over progressions you can use. I'll be going over how to lose the weight if you're obese or morbidly obese. I'm also going to be going over what energy leaks are. So stay tuned to the end of the video to understand what an energy leak is and how you can fix it.
Now, progressions you can use are things such as wall push-ups, which is easy because you can choose your incline. So basically you can choose the level you're at. Also, there's incline push-ups and there's also knee push-ups. So it's really up to you to decide which progression to use. There's a whole bunch of other progressions out there such as knee incline push-ups, just different inclines of push-ups you can do to build up the strength to do the push-up.
I want to go ahead and take the time to talk about obesity and morbid obesity. Can I pronounce obesity correctly? Basically, it's going to be very, very hard for you to personally actually do push-ups or any progressions. Of course, you can do the wall push-ups and maybe even knee push-ups, but the best way for you to progress is to lose the weight that you're carrying, okay? Because it's a lot harder for you than it would be for an average person or even a skinny person to get their first push-up. What you want to be focused on is just being in the caloric deficit, which means body is basically not getting enough food to maintain your weight. So it will actually dip into some of those fat reserves and use that fat for energy for your workouts and your cardio. Cardio is another thing. You want to be doing cardio, not hard cardio, especially if you're morbidly obese. Your joints probably can't handle that. So things like going on walks. Now that you've made it to the end of this video, I'm going to explain what an energy leak is. First of all, credit where credit is due. I learned this from Athlete X, so go ahead and head over to his channel. This is where I originally learned this trick in middle school or high school. I can't remember which one it was. It's been so long. What energy leaks are is basically you're not tightening your body enough. I mean, Athlete X honestly explains this way better than I can, which is why I'm going to link his channel. But from what I can understand is that you're wasting energy because you're not plugging up the holes. What I mean by this is a lot of people will just do push-ups and not even think about their entire body, which is a mistake. You really want to keep your core tight. You want to tighten your glutes, tighten your legs, tighten your quads, hamstrings, and everything. If you the more you tighten your body up, well, you don't want to like excessively do it, but if you keep everything tight, it makes the push-up a lot easier. Like literally, it is so much more easier to do the push-up this way. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you thought about anything and any tips you got for beginners doing push-ups if you can do a push-up yourself. This is being recorded on Veterans Day, so thank you to all the soldiers out there who protected my freedom and everybody else's freedom and allowing me to be a free man and doing what I want to do. So, thank you.